Here is the answer for day 3. Convert the following using the dimensional analysis technique. This is the technique where you don't just write down numbers, but you make sure you write the unit labels next to those numbers. And by paying attention to those unit labels, you can see if you have the correct setup that would lead you to the answer that you're looking for. So question A, convert 14.8 grams into micrograms. To do a conversion problem, you take whatever the known measurement is, in this case the 14.8 grams, and you write it down first. Make sure you're including the little unit label. Then write times and draw a fraction line. In the denominator of that fraction, we need to put down a number that has the exact same label as what's written here. So it's going to be some amount of grams. In the top of the fraction, we want to put down a number that has the label of the unit we're looking for. In this case, micrograms. The reason that you set it up like this is so that the grams cross-cancels with the grams in the bottom and leaves you micrograms, which is what you're asked for. This ratio that we're creating here is called a conversion factor, and we need to put in the numbers. In the metric system, there are 1 million microunits in one basic unit. So there are 1 million micrograms in 1 gram. 10 to the 6th power is a quick way to write a million. Now that we have the math problem all set up, we're going to use our calculator to actually find the answer. 14.8 times by a million, and then divided by 1. And the result is 148 followed by 5 zeros. And the label is micrograms. The alternative way to write this is in scientific notation. 1.48 and then times 10 to the 7th power micrograms. Now question B. Convert 66.3 liters into cubic centimeters. For any conversion problem, take that known measurement and write it down first. Make sure you're writing the label by it. Then write a multiplication symbol and draw a fraction line. Whatever this label is here is going to go in the bottom so that it will cross-cancel away with slash marks. Whatever we're asked to convert into, in this case cubic centimeters, is going to go in the top. To finish making this conversion factor, we need to put in the numbers. There are 1,000 cubic centimeters in 1 liter. The liters cross-cancels the liters, leaving cubic centimeters. So now that we have the math problem all set up, we'll type it in the calculator. 66.3 times by 1,000 and divide by 1. That makes 66,300 cubic centimeters. You'll notice that on these conversion problems, there's a process to follow. You write down whatever the known measurement is, you write times, you draw a fraction line. You copy down this label down in the bottom, and in the top you put the label for whatever you're asked to figure out. But you do have to have some knowledge memorized. You have to know that there's 1 million micrograms in 1 gram. And you have to know that there's 1,000 cubic centimeters in 1 liter.